Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear sonar system, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.